So it's been a while since we've done a bit of vlogging, so I thought it seemed like a good time as we're going back out to do some photographs. We're off out in a second, but before that, we've just had a little delivery, or big delivery, and we'll have a look at these in more detail another time. We've got Nikon Z5, we've got a, I think that's the 24 to 200mm, nothing special, and we've got the 20mm 1.8 S lens in there as well. So that is little toys. It's the lens that I'm most excited about, the 20mm. I think that's going to be sweet. I'm really looking forward to getting that used, so we'll see on to that. But now we're going to go out, we're going to fly the drone a little bit and take a few photos because the sky is beautiful at the moment, and we'll get that done. And there's Doug just actually doing some work. Okay, we're on site now. We're about to do a car park. I'm going to take the drone up, put the little Insta on, so I'm going to see if that's any good at using that. We're getting all the technology, but yeah, we're just getting overviews of existing places. This used to be Crown House. I think it was voted the second ugliest building in the UK. In fact, we've got a little time lapse that we did of this when it was demolished. I'll show you that hopefully now, and then take you up and show you what it is now. And this is one of the jobs we got this evening. Well, hopefully that was a success. We shall have a look in a moment. I'm going to take some still photos as well. And yeah, let me just connect this Insta because it's still on my hat and it's still recording. Nice. Always forget to do that. And we're going to take some normal photos now, just a couple, a bit more artistic-y. Although the sun's sort of gone in for the moment, but that'll be all right for our next site. Okay. That's it for this evening. The sun's just starting to go down past the horizon now, so there's not much point of doing any more sort of drone work this evening. We've got the best of the light, which is fantastic. That's what we're after. Yeah, we're done. So that's today's vlog. Hope you liked it. Like and subscribe for any future ones. We'll take you on the journey. I think later this week we're at another site. I can't remember where. But we'll find out. Bring you along.